talked about how we love the disc mower blades from Shoot. This is the condition we're in half the time. Gophers and moles. That happens to be fennel grass mostly right here, plus some annuals. Some of you may know what fennel grass is, especially in the south. It gets a toxic mold on it down there where you're at. So it's considered a noxious weed, but up here, we don't get the mold in it. It's good feed, it just doesn't yield as well as most other things. And the annuals right here don't yield worth a damn either, but that's what's taken over. And, why don't you get the gophers and moles? Well, we try. The problem is, once the crop's up, you can't see them. And, then it's a little late, and they'll push a 2-foot high mound. I think I found a tree. Oh, I did. As long as it ain't gonna break nothing, I just go through and go with it. So, baler's broke, so I'm cutting. That way we got something to bale, right?